Hola, mi querido líder del lenguaje. I have some news for you. And if learning Spanish is one of your goals for the new year, you're going to want to hear this. For the first time ever, my online school, the Caminos Conversation Club, where learners practice speaking Spanish in unlimited, supportive, level appropriate live classes, is hosting an open house week, and doors open December 29th. This means that for a full week from December 29th to January 4th, that's Monday through Sunday, whatever days you're able to join us during the week, you can enjoy real classes at your level with my incredible team. And I hope to meet you as well for free. We have 3 levels and you'll be able to explore them and find your fit just like our actual students do. So you can experience exactly how we help you become a confident and conversational Spanish speaker. So if you've been feeling nervous about joining live classes, or you don't know if this is for you, or you haven't spoken Spanish forever and you feel like you're not ready yet, or you have a more advanced level and you're wondering if the other students can keep up with you, or you've tried other programs and don't get results, then this is an amazing opportunity that you don't want to miss. Come and try it for yourself. But listen, if you want a spot in these free classes, you will want to go ahead and register now. Space is limited and I want to make sure that you get in. After you register, you'll get more details in your inbox over the next few days. I'll be announcing the full class schedule. Again, we'll have multiple live class options available, just like we do in our full membership. I'll let you know what each level will be learning and accomplishing that week and how to prepare for your live classes. And I'll be answering all of your questions. But in the meantime, this is what I can tell you. If you register for Open House Week, and you dive into the materials and you join us for at least 2 live sessions that week, whichever fit your schedule. You can certainly come to more if you'd like. You'll feel so much more confident by the end of the week conversing on that topic. So whether you're a complete beginner or an upper beginner, lower intermediate, or a high intermediate student, you're going to walk into the new year speaking more Spanish than you do now. And of course, if you want to take your learning beyond just 1 week with us, you'll be offered the opportunity to do that too. So go ahead and register now by clicking the link that I left in the description or by typing in this link that has appeared on your screen. Save your spot and then stay tuned because more details are coming very soon. I'll be popping into several of those classes throughout the week, so I hope to personally see you and be able to greet you there. Nos vemos muy pronto. Prepárate para hablar español con nosotros.